High-speed, top-quality manufacturing during the further processing of can bodies and similar pieces. The Gamma automatic can maker is characterized by high output and exceptional flexibility, enabling it to be adapted to any production task. The Gamma is a modular system consisting of a main drive unit and individual modules connected to each other depending on the job to be performed. The modules shown here in this example are the cutting module, the flanging module and the beading module. This approach allows a range of different technologies to be combined. Such technologies include parting, flanging, beading and seaming. In other cases, just flanging and seaming may be needed. Whereas for aerosol cans, the modules for necking in, flanging, bottom seaming and high cone seaming are used. Any combination you require. The options are limitless. Each module can also be used as an individual machine. The modules are equipped with either 6 or 12 workstations, depending on output requirements. Working speed can be steplessly adjusted to production conditions. With 6 workstations, up to 600 cans can be produced a minute, whereas with 12 workstations, speeds of up to 1200 cans per minute can be reached. The Gamma can be used to produce any cans with diameters up to 105mm and heights up to 280mm. Other dimensions are also possible upon application. Let's take a closer look at the individual modules. The pre-scored double bodies are passed to the parting module via a separating and feeding unit. The internal blade rolls inside the body along the stationary external tool. The double body is smoothly parted without burr along the score. A small rim is created at both ends of each can. Following parting, the can bodies are separated and enter the transfer zone, from where they are transported to the following module at the same level. In our system, after parting, the upper can body is pushed outwards and additionally fixed. Even can bodies with powder-coated weld seams can be parted reliably and easily. The parting module can be opened by a quick adjustment to the upper guideway and easily reset for other heights. This involves exchanging spacer blocks in the external guideway without having to reposition them. In the spin flanging module, the upper and lower flanging heads perform a lifting movement. 2 counter-rotating die heads fitted with driven or idle flanging rollers produce the rims on the can ends. This careful forming process is especially suitable for thin and hard material. Changing the complete flanging heads is quick and easy. In the beading module, stabilization beads are formed in the can body by rolling a driven forming roll inside the can along a stationary external guideway with opposite profile. The beading rollers are supported in the working position, and the beading depth of each roller can be adjusted using the cam. Stable guideways absorb the forces and ensure that the beads are continuously evenly formed to high standards of quality. The beading module is easy to open and like all other modules, is fitted with central height adjustment. When making aerosol cans, the necking in module is used first. The necking in module is used to reduce the diameter, in this case at both ends of the can. Flanging is performed by the spin flanging module seen earlier. In certain cases, die flanging may also be used. Seaming on the bottom ends and the high cones are carried out in one module each by forming rolls. Stacking and separating and feeding units assign each body its bottom end and its high cone respectively. The first and second seaming operations are performed by profiled rolls. In this example, the upper surface of the seaming rollers is coated with titanium nitrate. This gives the rollers a very long service life and prevents varnish or metal parts from sticking to them. The high cones are conducted to a transfer unit between the modules. Automatic monitoring ensures that high cones are not assigned to any workstations which have not received a can body. The seaming lever with adjusted seaming rollers can be replaced as a single unit. This is useful as it allows quick resetting. Special versions of the Gamma are also available, featuring 2 different sets of tools with 6 stations each. This reduces resetting time, as resetting is then limited to just changing intake assignment and replacing the form-dependent guideway and positioning components. The machine's safety features naturally correspond to international standards. A handheld operating unit makes adjusting the machine even easier. Thanks to its modular design, the Gamma range can be used for any manufacturing task and can be expanded at any time as required. The Gamma range, for efficient, flexible production.